Hi there and welcome back to Scrummy. Today it's all about small cute cakes, and these mini Victoria sponge cakes are sure to please. They're so cute, and I hope you love these as much as I do. Okay everyone, time to start baking. We're starting with butter. Make sure to use room temperature butter as it's much easier to mix. Pour in the caster sugar and now mix for about 2 minutes until the mixture is light and fluffy. This stage is what we call the creaming method. When the mixture is nice and soft, just like this, we can now add the remaining ingredients. Next, add the eggs, break them up before adding and pour them in. Add in the vanilla extract and the self-raising flour. Now mix for about 30 to 40 seconds until all the flour is mixed in. Divide the mixture out evenly between the mini sandwich tin and level with a teaspoon. Using the teaspoon, make a small dip in the centre of each of the cakes, and this will stop the cakes rising like a volcano. This tin I'm using is a mini Victoria sponge cake tin. If you don't have one, you could use cupcake cases and peel them off. Bake in a preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes until they're nice and golden on top. These are perfect, and look, no volcano tops. Allow to cool completely before decorating. To decorate, cut the mini sponges in half. Add a teaspoon of whatever jam you're using. I'm using strawberry. On top of this, pipe either freshly whipped cream or vanilla buttercream, which I'm using today. Check out my buttercream tutorial to make a perfect vanilla buttercream. Finish off with some sieved icing sugar, more buttercream and whatever fruit you're using. I picked up these cute pipettes which are filled with strawberry syrup, so I'm going to pop one of them in too. Time to try these. Squeeze the strawberry syrup over the sponge. Now I'm going to cut into this. I love how these look. They're so cute and so tasty. Just look how fluffy that sponge is. I hope you like them too. Enjoy and happy baking!